Hey everyone, welcome back to Trend Tech Guide. If you want to join clips on CapCut for PC, here's the quick way. Open CapCut desktop and create a new project. Click Import or drag and drop to bring in all your clips. Then, drag them onto the same video track on the timeline in the order you want. CapCut Snap feature will help you butt clips together. Just slide each clip until it snaps with no gap. To keep everything together while you edit, select all joined clips and press Ctrl G to group, so they move as one. You can Ctrl Shift G later to ungroup if needed. When you're happy, click Export. Pick your resolution and bitrate and export. Your clips are now one continuous video file. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick PC editing tips.